Welcome to Coursera Research Notes series of videos. In this video, we will learn how to download a research paper. The first website is SciHub website, which contains more than 80% of the published literature. You have to enter the title or the DOI. However, some papers may have the same title, so you may be directed to a paper that you don't want, or the website will not read the title perfectly. For example, we will enter the title of this paper here and click open. Unfortunately, SciHub doesn't have the requested document. However, DOI is more specific for downloading. We will enter the DOI of the requested paper here and click open. Then you can download it. The second website is from the second link to the paper link in Google Scholar. For example, you will go to Google Scholar, will write cancer and exercise. I want to download this paper, for example, exercise and prevention and management of cancer. I will click the next link to it and click OK, so you can download it. The third source is from ResearchGate. You have to register with the university email. We will copy the title here in ResearchGate and click OK in the search. Scroll down here. This is our paper. Then click download. If the paper doesn't exist in ResearchGate, for example, this paper, you can request the full text from the authors. If the author have the copyright agreement with the journal, they can upload the full text for you in ResearchGate and for other researchers. However, if this violates the copyright issue with the journal, they can send it privately for you in a ResearchGate message. The fourth source is from the Egyptian Knowledge Bank Library, or if you have an access to Scopus, Web of Science, or Wolters Kluwer databases, but you have to identify at which database the paper was indexed. For example, this paper was indexed in Wolters Kluwer. I will copy here, go to the search, Wolters Kluwer, click search. We will wait here until the paper came for us. Search again. You will scroll here. So this is our paper. Click article at PDF. Then you can download it. Same as for Scopus and Web of Science. The fifth website or the fifth route, you can access to the journal by university email. If you have a US student, if you are a US student, if you have a US colleague in a respected university, you can ask him to download the paper, as the email may have an access to the journal that the paper was published in. If this didn't work, you have to email the authors. How to email the authors? You will write the subject requesting a full text of recent and published paper. Dear Professor X, I hope my email finds you well. We are a group of researchers doing an X study, and your study entitled X is included based on our criteria. We will be grateful if you send to us the full text of your paper for extracting the necessary data. If this didn't work, you have to pay fees for full text if this is necessary. See you soon next videos.